Some years ago I stopped playing team handball and working as a teacher and began my studies as a fine artist. My friend had continued her life path as a team handball player and a teacher and moved on with 2 children, a husband, a house and a car. Every week we spoke intimately about the respective challenges of our everyday lives. I couldn't see any point in having children at all. I never really understood the family concept, but my partner wanted children badly. My friend's primary challenge was that she had forgotten who she was. She had lost her individual identity and was reduced to play the role as a mother. We were both wondering how life had turned out for us, questioning our choices and the consequences. What if each of us had chosen differently?
Virkelig være indstillet på, at det bliver vendt op og man siger ikke bare, at vi bliver aldrig igen.
Man kan kun se det bare til jer. Nå, kun hånd. Det er sådan lige meget. Så du vifter lidt med armen ud en gang med.
Ja, men Asmund, du er jo stadigvæk på det der visdom, ikke?
Det var en regn og vind. Her er lidt snævert, som du ser, men her er lus og tørre vand.